Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you guys some tips and tricks on how to get flexible. Getting flexible and being flexible is very important when you're an athlete of any kind because it allows you to have a really good range of motion. And make sure to stay till number 5 because it is the easiest one and it is the one that will guarantee you to be flexible. So tip number 1 is the thing we all know that we have to do to get flexible. It is stretching. So you need to be consistent with your stretching. Examples are like stretching for every other day for 30 minutes or every day for 10 to 15 minutes. This is how you get flexible. It is by stretching. Tip number 2 is start off knowing your limits, and once you're comfortable and you think you know your limits, then you need to slowly push your limits the more and more you stretch. This will cause you to gain flexibility and be a better athlete. Number 3 is the one I want to stress to you guys a lot, and that is do not overstretch, because when you overstretch, this could pull your muscles too much or this could damage your muscles. Tip number 4 is just some easy stretches that you guys can do to 1, learn your limits, and 2, push your limits. And those are straddles, pikes, and deep lunges. Deep lunges helps with your splits. And tip number 5, the tip you guys have all been waiting for, is when you're stretching, you want to hold it for a little while, like 10 to 20 seconds, which can be difficult if you're in a split or anything else like in a deep straddle or anything like that. So you want to hold them for a long enough time so they will be effective. You will know this if you are a little sore in the morning. If you're not sore in the morning, you did not stretch right. And this tip is amazing because this is what I like to do when I stretch so I can make sure I hold it long. I set up a Netflix show or watch YouTube while I'm stretching, and I just find this is a better way to stretch because stretching isn't boring when you do that. Something you do while you're doing something else. Yeah, that is tip number 5, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will link some of my stretching videos for more details on how to get your splits, how to get your back flexible, etc. in the description. So make sure y'all go check that out. I'll see you guys next time. I love y'all.